One common misconception is that you'll lose everything. The majority of cases filed under Chapter 7 in bankruptcy are no asset cases, which means that all the assets are protected. Generally, for anybody coming into a bankruptcy, the majority of things will be protected so that you don't have to worry about losing all of your prized possessions, your car, your house, your retirement benefits. These are things that we can work with you to protect them. Another one is that a bankruptcy applies to all of your debts. Unfortunately, you can't walk away from all of your debts in either a Chapter 7 or a 13. There are some debts that Congress has kind of carved out that are protected. Mainly, the most common ones are back taxes, spousal support, child support, and any debts that were incurred because of fraud. Another misconception is that a lot of people try and pay off all of their debts rather than file bankruptcy. Bankruptcy exists for a reason. It is there to help people who have lost control of their financial situation for whatever reason that may be. And we commonly see people come into our office after they've basically broken down and spent years of their lives trying to catch up on something that is impossible to catch up on. And a lot of clients walk away even after the process or right after the process has started, immediately start to feel the relief of the stress and worry that is associated with such a precarious financial situation. Another very common misconception about bankruptcy is that a lot of people associate with personal failure. Filing for bankruptcy is not a character flaw. It is really not just because of a mismanagement of finances. The majority of bankruptcy cases in this country are due to rising medical costs and unexpected loss of a job. It's mostly caused by a crisis that you weren't seeing and therefore weren't prepared for. Another common misconception about bankruptcy is that bankruptcy will ruin your financial future. There's no way around it. If you file bankruptcy, you're most likely have a low credit score, your credit is going to take a hit. But it's not going to be gone forever. It's not going to be bad forever. The purpose of bankruptcy is to give you a fresh start. And most people, whether you file a Chapter 7 or a 13, get to see that pretty quickly. Things start to turn around. One, you're protected by the bankruptcy court, so you will no longer get the calls from creditors or be worried about a lawsuit or immediately losing your house. So it gives you a relief in that way. And two, you can start rebuilding your credit and start getting access to the right financial tools to begin anew almost immediately after filing the petition. So it will not ruin your financial future. If anything, it will help you setting yourself up to what you want to be doing 5 or 10 years down the road.